shift focus back home, viewers. Let's get back to the state of Bihar. And there's a fair amount going on ever since yesterday when the election dates were announced in 2 phases as Bihar now gears up for the assembly elections, both ruling and opposition alliance right now mired in what are tough seat sharing talks. Lots of news coming out. It seems NDA has to contend with a tough ally in the face of LJP as it's expecting a large share of seats this time. On the other hand, the Mahagathbandhan in itself has its own issues where the Congress thinking that it's charting a course of revival in the state of Bihar would want seats where it finds itself in a good position to contest or winnable seats because the Congress did feel that they were shortchanged the last time. Smaller players like VIP also muscle flexing. So all eyes on these 2 Bihar blocks where battles rage within on seat sharing.
बिहार के चुनाव 2 फेजेस में होंगे।
Within 24 hours of the announcement of poll dates in Bihar, seat share politics of alliances are at its peak. The ruling alliance of NDA has many to accommodate, while sources say the BJP and JDU are preparing to contest an equal number of seats, with a total of 205 seats being divided between the 2 NDA partners. The remaining 38 seats are likely to be distributed among smaller NDA allies. Reports suggest the BJP has offered 25 seats to LJP chief Chirag Paswan, 7 seats to HAM leader Jiten Ram Majhi and 6 seats to Upendra Kushwaha's RLM. Chirag Paswan met BJP election officers and negotiations are going on. Sources also reveal that Chirag Paswan is likely to contest from Shahabad region himself. Earlier, LJP drew a clear line and threatened that talks will collapse if only 20 to 22 seats are offered to them. In such situations, sources hint that LJP is open for an alliance with Prashant Kishore.
कितनी सीटें मांगने जा रहे हैं यह सवाल बड़े नेता जब एक जगह बैठेंगे तब तय होगा। अभी तक मेरे नेता आदरणीय चिराग पासवान जी की बात हमारे गठबंधन के किसी बड़े नेता के साथ इस बाबत नहीं हुई है।
फिर से इस बार एनडीए भारी बहुमत से दर्ज करेगा। इस बार का चुनाव सिर्फ एनडीए का चुनाव बनाम गठबंधन का नहीं, बल्कि विकास की रफ्तार बनाम जंगल राज, तुष्टीकरण और संतुष्टीकरण की राजनीति है।
BJP meanwhile seems to be expanding its outreach to rope in star power. Popular folk singer Maithili Thakur hinted at contesting polls on BJP ticket from Darbhanga's Alinagar.
एक ही तस्वीर है जिसको लेकर के बहुत सारे कैप्शंस के साथ वो फोटो बार-बार हर जगह से पोस्ट हो रहा है। तो आप सभी लोग को अंदाजा है बीजेपी हमेशा से मेरी प्रेफरेंस रही है और बिहार में अगर देखा जाए तो हम एनडीए के सपोर्ट में है। काफी सालों से एनडीए को देखते आ रहे हैं।
Not only the NDA, the seat-sharing algorithm is a headache for the Mahagathbandhan as well. Left parties are reportedly unhappy with the RJD's offer of seats. CPI-ML has been offered 19 seats, but they want 30. Sources claim that if CPI-ML does not receive respectable seats, the party might look for other options.
Our party, the Communist Party of India, is part of Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, and we are fighting the elections. We will fight a reasonable number of seats. Today I am supposed to meet Mr. Tejashwi also. We will finalize.
The poll panel of Congress is all set to meet on 8th October to finalize its first list of candidates.
Mahagathbandhan is ready for fighting election. We are ready to win the election in Bihar. Despite the fact that Election Commission of India and the entire machinery of India government is trying to remove the regular voters of Bihar.
The first phase of voting is just about a month away, and both sides are right now trying to overcome the seat-sharing hurdle before they can step on the campaign trail to win Bihari voters. Bureau Report, India Today.